Hello YouTube! Welcome to a new synth anatomy video. I got a package today from Thomann, and you know it already because you read probably the title of the video or the thumbnail. It's the Behringer CRAVE. So let's unbox it because I got it today in the morning at 7:30. And of course what you get from Thomann is already these nice little comics here, and the instruction if you want to send it back or not, or you want to have some support. And here is finally the Behringer CRAVE. For the full disclaimer, I didn't receive a test unit from Behringer, so I purchased the CRAVE directly from Thomann for €159. So it's €10 more than on Music Store or in the UK. But then you get it directly in 2 days because they are on stock, and on the other stores they take up to in December or more. So this is now the CRAVE. I purchased it for reviewing, and let's see if it's good. I will hold it, and maybe also I will sell it again because I have too much mono synths. But for full disclaimer, I purchased it for reviewing it. So this is the CRAVE, analog semi-modular synthesizer with a 3340 VCO. That's the same VCO as in the MS1 and other synths, but also in the same oscillator as in the Prophet 5. Then you have the classic ladder filter, that's the Model D filter. Then you have the 30-step sequencer, which is the same as in the MS1 or in the Odyssey. And you have up to 6 voice poly chain, so you can purchase 16 CRAVEs and build a poly CRAVE, or you can also buy 4 CRAVEs and then creating a 4-voice CRAVE, what is quite interesting. Then you have on the back side here again the same sentence with analog modular synthesizer. On the back side you have the CRAVE from the back side, and it looks very tiny. And then on the sides it's always the same. Here's a knife, and then let's open it. So what we get is the manual, and we get some stickers from Behringer. Not bad, because some other companies doesn't give you some stickers. That's quite nice. And you have a manual, but there's something inside the German manual which is quite funny. Then we have here a power supply. This is, here you get the adapter for Europe. And quite nice how tiny this adapter is. So let's take it out. And what is here nice, as you can see here, you get patch cables for a synth of €149 or €159. You get here, I think, 5 patch cables, and that's quite nice because that's a value often of €15, €10, €15 if you buy new patch cables. And here's then the Behringer CRAVE. Let's take it out of the plastic here, remove the things here, and here's the Behringer CRAVE. As you can see here, super tiny, and you probably know already, it's 1 oscillator, 1 filter, 1 envelope, an LFO, a sequencer, and a big patch bay here, and on the side also very tiny, power supply, USB, and the MIDI channels. And it feels super solid for the price of €149. Of course, these are not wood back sides here, or these side panels here. This is not wood, because on the pictures it looks like wood, but it's plastic, but it's fine. And here is, to make it solid, a bit of aluminium or a good back cover. The knobs feels already very good. These are still the same as in the beta version. I'm not a fan of them, but yeah. Then you get, as I said, the patch cables, the power supply, and the manual. So for 159. I think it's a nice deal. Let's check out now some sound demos because you're waiting for this. So let's go. I hope you enjoyed this first sound overview of the new Behringer CRAVE. In my opinion, the CRAVE sounds very beefy and it has a really nice analog sound. I will see in the test how the CRAVE will perform, and then I will release some more sound demos of it and also my final review. But actually, on the first look, the CRAVE sounds great and it offers a lot for the price of €150. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think about the CRAVE, and maybe your questions. I try to answer them as soon as possible. Big thanks for watching and hope to see you very soon in one of the next videos. Bye!